Lekimburo National Park, the smallest of Uganda's savanna parks. Here, wild animals live in tranquility. But the animals are now being threatened by the quickly growing woodland covering the park. The whistling thorn acacia has outcompeted the native plants, leaving little or nothing for the wild animals to forage on.
Acacia and other shrubs have been closing the park. And we are actively removing the acacia to help the grasses that are fed on by the herbivores to take the bigger area of the park.
While many of these species pose a threat to native ecosystems, authorities say they have intensified responses to remove and prevent expansion of the tree.
We are supposed to look at what the animals want, and we create that environment. And that's why even when we are using very many methods, that's why we brought back the giraffes. They are around. They're also foraging on the same acacia. So we are not really trying to completely change the environment. We are trying to make it suitable for the dwellers.
The rapid distribution of acacia is because the tree can easily reproduce. Now, labor-intense control measures that involve communities removing the plants have also been initiated. Most of the bushes in this national park have been cut down, and this is much of what is left. The communities surrounding this park are now putting the cuttings to another use, mostly for firewood. In the nearby Ramhuku village, community members have welcomed the habitat management plans. They say it has limited on the human-wildlife conflict.
And now once you are in the national park, today it is a secret. And in our land, neighborhood, they have made their farms free. They are open places now where those animals like to be. So they have been forced to go out of the national park and come around, access our plants. But now, as you can see, there is no buffer zone that can separate us between us and the national park. We have tried to uproot the acacia and remove those thickets, leaving other tree species, big ones, and removing the small ones, so as the animals can stay and also can survive.
The interface between meadow, forest, and the animal species is gradually being restored. While the control efforts will be ongoing for many more years, the animals will, at least for now, start to feel sure of a safer habitat. Ssenyange, CCTV, Lekimburo National Park in western Uganda.